My name is Cali Fidopiastis, and I am a chief scientist for Design Interactive. Chief scientist handles all the data analytics all the way down to experimental design. We're developing cutting-edge training. Design Interactive is a really special place. We are affiliated with the University of Central Florida. Kay Stanny, who's the president, was one of my professors. I'm also an adjunct professor at the Institute for Simulation and Training. The expertise that the folks that we work with bring to the table is very important. Not just the university, but actual technology companies. So these strategic partnerships are allowing us to make Central Florida, and Florida itself, the mecca for modeling and simulation. I see that we are on the cutting edge of the next generation of interfaces. You are going to be interacting with new spaces using gesture, voice, eye blinks. We all want to make something wonderful. The collaborations that we can achieve through the corridor will allow us to do that quicker. Innovation itself could be practical innovation, or it can be innovation that is on cutting edge of the edge. But if you look at the practical innovation and say, what can I do today to make today better? You've built the foundation for the exciting stuff that can burgeon forward. And the collaborative environments that we're creating with these partners is part of the key, because you can't do it alone.